Okay, winds and rain are picking up. You can see that's where I am, right there. And there's, right in here, what's left of the eye of the hurricane. Very, very heavy rain and bands here just to my west. Good little band here. Strong, you can see they have flash flood warnings out to my south and west where they've had super heavy rain. Strongest winds down in here according to the radar. Though they've been getting weaker. No more hundreds, and those are all staying to my south and west. Hopefully they will. And precip has been pretty impressive. If you look at the storm accumulation over me, let's see, 4 inches over me, though I haven't registered nearly that much, but where they have the flash flood warnings out, you can see they've had 13 inches, 12 inches. Getting buffeted around pretty good a little bit. Feel my RV shaking somewhat. Let's go outside and see how it looks. Even though it's dark, probably hear the rain and stuff. But let's see. Grass is all wet and soggy. A little bit dark. Probably hear the wind. I don't know if you can see. Shifted more to the south. They were southeast earlier. Now they're blowing out of the south. I don't know if you can see. You probably hear the trees blowing. The wind. Gusting about 50 here, according to my wind sensor. And I don't know how accurate that is. On the other side. Okay. Whew. That was exciting. Alright. Still got power, too. So I will talk to y'all later. Wish me luck. I think I'll be okay.